Life. Envelope and each senator might be given 500 million. Because you are not the only person. So, all the criminal are creating he grade and you meet Yandagini 67 kilometers of Jumoga Bantry Alifokpa Road. No award done. Where is the road? Where is the road? They don't like their own, they like on another one. Where is the road? Nikuzokpopo. Everywhere here. Say the road is coming. Where is the road? Rather, I say, no, you hate each other. True or false? True. Marina Lena tell happens. So, Alemana na him 1.5. I can bracket some go boy father Okpoku. That one they did is my route. Material. And my quality kuni wa eko ma eme no muta make up on there. E keri kala ma keri na kuti play mona. E ma ko ogbo. Ma ele ma bi jware meta. Continue na ho. I can also read the book. E ma quality kuna 1.5 kilometers. There is back or not. Also, in Bagayakino, my prepper, everybody used to have 17 polling units. All elections, 17 polling units. But now everybody has about 33 polling units. So, that is my effort. We will not see who is who now. Then, Mbaka acquired the governor the first time, missing our approval. I don't grant approval. Anything I will not do, I will not say it. And I will never tell you lies for any reason. Because already is so much face to face from up to down. And God to impress you. You got only approve Aquaman initially. 150 million. What does Baby check over Aquaman Dragbaya that is like a covert? So he was saying no, the amount that time was too high. Commissioner Lafon. The commissioner for local government. Because he wanted to take money from the local government. That was why me bet Mangoro and Abacharinya. And right from the day I'm people are doing it, anytime I go to because utterly Donald Duke at Salom state and Galilee Akoko bina bapu and banaba ye na Abuja agite kere kana bako. So Akwabi pay salary. Okoba capital project abinakaya. So Amadom the government and Banu Kwal na Akome. I had that like a push on it look as if I'm insensitive. So me wait, my babu alone. I Baba Itan, me remind you. That is how I've been following him on that bridge. And the good thing is that finally, can we climb a tata can we do it can we lead us our meet home. I give you that when once I can get a year, Kalimbata Kiaba Charunta. That is going to release 300 million naira so that that bridge must be done. And I'm so happy and I'm trying to my committee in charge me. Now we're here Kalimbati for moment. So as we go back from Monday, I'm very sure in less than 1 or 2 weeks, the contractor must come to start that bridge. Akwame, I owe you. I'm Molotov need Akwame women. I'm Molotov need to take part in women. Makui Kuro Kalasa, me pick week or amali bicho mo aso masime amni daku ho ememe ya e ma lo karali criticize e bicho gogo ya ami bicho everyday so amini ni daku mi huwe I come home last week I was here in Mbula so Utiana la nguna me uti state government ya